Good afternoon, guys. My name is Claudia Lorena Naran. Today, I'm talking about my final project of English Course 10. I'm going to tell you my story. It's about a tradition of my family. This tradition happens every year, more exactly in the end of the year. Normally, I met with my family at my parents' house in Anserma Caldas on December 31, 2018. The ritual is running with the suitcase. This ritual is known in Latin America, for example, in Mexico, Colombia, Peru, Costa Rica, everywhere. The number of people who practice this ritual are over 50%. Why don't do it? How ridiculous! You will be surprised to see how many people do it and it's one of the funniest things that you can do with your family. So, by with the chain. My story begins. Each end of the year before midnight, I pack summer clothes, winter clothes, shoes, maps, my passport, and photos in my suitcase. Wherever indicates where I want to go. Minus before 12 at night, I ran with my suitcase around the block. I always had to run to the right. I also had to do 7 laps around the block. The longer the distance traveled, the further you can travel. While I was running, I was thinking about the possible place which I will visit. I will go to Europe. Always I think that to travel is amazing, wonderful, and magic. Traveling is the best. Last year, I traveled to Europe. The first city that I met was Paris. This city really got me. I love to visit the Eiffel Tower. I could see many places of the city. It was beautiful at night. Of course, also I went to some museums. After, I visited other important place called Blue Coast. This place is great. For me, it was the best place I have visited. I was enjoying its blue waters and also the typical French food. After visiting Paris, I went to Rome. There could visit the Baroque. It's a place full of interest and with a very important spiritual and historical meaning. The next day, after visiting the Baroque, I got up early for can visit some museums. What I enjoyed the most was the Italian food. It was very delicious. My life changed totally because I learned many things about these countries. For example, new cultures. Also, I learned that when we travel around the world, we have to pay attention for the impact we have in the faith. From our waste, our attitude, how we were, or what activities we do. Thanks for your attention. I hope you liked my story. Bye bye.